Okay, welcome back to the training, and as promised, I'm going to be showcasing to you how you can sell your product, PLR products, without a website. Now, before we even continue, I want to really shout it out and make it very clear that if you are doing anything online, it is very important, as a matter of fact, a must that you have a website. In fact, a website has a whole lot of things to do for your business. Aside branding you and giving you that presence, it can actually help with skyrocketing your conversions. Just look around, check around. Have you seen any brand, whether a name or a personality, that doesn't have a website? So that showcases to you that having a website as an online business person, as a digital marketer, or anyone selling online for that matter, even do selling offline, you need a website. Now, if you look on the screen very clearly, you see statistics that are being carried out that shows what persons, if you have a store and you don't have a website, and you have a website, the advantages, the pros that comes with it, and the cons. The cons being without a website. For one, you can reach out to a whole lot of persons. If you have a website, all they have to do, in fact, you can even blow up, go viral if you have a website, because one person shares that your link and shares to the friend to the friend, and before you know, what you are selling online has gone far and wide. You can go outside beyond any border, for that matter, and reach out to a customer or client. And the profit ratio, just look at it. You have a website, of course, you are reaching out to more customers, definitely your profit is going to go higher. And also the company reputation, you can actually brand your company, all the things you are showing, showcase your portfolio, you see your portfolio, a whole lot of stuff, and business visibility and business branding. So a website is very important. So we have made that clear. But what happens if for now really you don't have the means or the facility to create a website, or you want to create one and the developer is still working on it, but you want to sell, you still want to be selling before your website is ready, and you fix up everything that makes your brand really shine? So what do you do? So that is what I want to showcase to you now, how you can sell without owning a website. Already I've showcased you are going to refer back to that tutorial. I've showcased to you how you can deliver your products already. Now, having known that how you can deliver your products without a website, you get a link and all that, you set up a means of receiving payment using Paystack. So you have done all that. So what do you do next? You can sell using your social media platforms. For one, WhatsApp and your Facebook group and Twitter. You have the link if it's your own product. You have the Paystack link. You just put it on there and on your social media platform, and boom, you make sales. On Twitter, I know persons that have made a whole lot of affiliate commission without owning a website, on Twitter, on Facebook groups that they own, even using WhatsApp TV, and the TV owner just shares your link. Now, I even created a tutorial on how you can use WhatsApp and to make a whole lot of money and selling any kind of product, even PLR products. And I'm going to promote it to you also. If you got into this training, it is very important. Even if you have a website, you can still use that method, the social media platform. I'm talking about organic traffic now, fake traffic, the persons you already have. You will be surprised, you see they are not going to buy anything from you. You have up to 1,000 contacts that are on WhatsApp. Trust me, they are going to buy one of the product that you are going to be referring to them. So you can use your WhatsApp to sell. You can organize free trainings on using WhatsApp groups to sell, and you can create you can do ads what just plain WhatsApp ad that doesn't require any form of website, because if you are doing any other form of ads, of course it's going to need a website with SSL certificate on it. But WhatsApp, you can just get your direct folks, customers to your WhatsApp, business WhatsApp, which is also free, and then showcase the product, this product, the PLR product, or any kind of product you are selling to them. It works. I know some of my students that are doing it that way and are making a boatload of cash online. So that is how you sell without a website. Now, another alternative is for you to actually get one of these like a free blogger website or WordPress, but I don't advise that at all. It's just better that you use your WhatsApp and you use your you use the Pixstack and the WhatsApp to deliver this product. Now, the reason why I'm saying this is, how can you be telling someone that they can make a lot of money online, and you are selling make money online products to them, and you are acting as a coach, and you are you are fronting as someone that is doing all these things. You're actually making money online, and you don't have an online presence, and they are going to reason it out that you don't have the money to get a website for yourself, and that alone could make them not buy from you. I've actually seen a product, and let me give an instance. I saw a product I really loved. The creative was powerful, everything, and I clicked, and it took me to the person's WhatsApp and business page, and it just showed me the link there, and I really wanted to know what I was getting into. So I now asked for the sales page. And you know what? The person doesn't have a website, doesn't have a sales page. So for goodness sake, how can you tell me that I'll be able to make a 250,000 naira every month, and you don't have a sales page? Even if it is a funnel builder, you could just get a domain name for about $10 or $12 and hook it up. You have, even if it's just one page, there is nothing like that. So you see, online presence creates that, not just that brand image, but it builds trust. It makes people to trust you a whole lot. So if you are going to be selling without a website, just concentrate and focus on what your social media platform. That is what I will advise, because you have a whole lot of persons that with trust issues being everywhere, especially online. A website is very important. You don't have a website, the next better alternative is your social media platform. So we are going to end this training here now, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. And that next tutorial is what I consider to be the heart of this training, the part 4, talking about using the Facebook, the metaverse, to market your PLR products. And we are really going to dive into this. We are going to dissect every aspect of these 3 methods of selling on Facebook. And trust me on this, even if you have never made a dime online before now, you take action on what you are going to learn on how to sell PLR package on Facebook, where I show you 3 hot methods for guaranteed solid results. You will make sales. So thank you, and see you in the next tutorial. God bless.